What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Auto Guy DIY coming at you on another beautiful Sunday here in Texas. So I've had a few comments that's not what we're going to get into, but yes, this is the front bumper. I am going to get into painting that soon. That's going to go on the 03 Ram 1500. I hadn't forgot about it, but somebody said something about it. I am going to be getting into that here real soon. The weather's turned nice. It's hot outside. I think the paint will lay down a little better, so we'll jump into that. Now, on another note, I know a lot of my viewers are waiting for some more third gen content. I have some front end work to do. Ball joints, lower ball joints, upper control arms, sway bar end link bushings, brakes, rotors. You know, I got some stuff I got to do. It's getting hot out here, and right now I'm having issues with my 4th gen and the AC. So I've been going through this for like 3 weeks. You know, I bought a new electric fan. I went and bought new relays. Man, I cannot get that fan to come on. Whenever I turn the AC on, your E fan, the one that I showed how to replace, that's supposed to come on and be on the whole time your AC's on. I cannot get the thing to turn on for more than 30 seconds. So I'll show y'all what I got and what I come up with. Let's jump out here to the truck and get right into it. Just to throw a little 3rd gen content into this video, because I know that y'all support me and y'all are watching my videos and looking for that content. Man, I'm with y'all. Please bear with me until I can get this AC fixed, and then we'll jump back on that 3rd gen and I'll get plenty of content out. But what I'm gonna tell you is that I'm gonna put this Restore into the blue truck, the 3rd gen that I have. I've been using it for years and I really do like this stuff. So I'm not gonna sit here and tell you I'm here gonna argue with anybody about this stuff. I've used it for years. I've gotten over 400,000 miles out of my truck, so I'm not complaining. We're out here at the trucks. I know this is a 4th gen content video, but like always, I wanna show y'all that I'm gonna pour the whole contents of the can into the truck, so y'all know that everything's true. And so here we go. You can see the coloration. You know it's not just oil in a can. I'm not here to fool anybody. I'm here to help people get their Rams to go as many miles as they can go before they have to do any kind of major repair. So that was that. You know me. If you don't, I like to throw that in there so you know exactly what I'm doing to keep my vehicles on the road. Back to the original video, here we go. I'm gonna show you. You can see down there, that compressor is not spinning. You cannot hear it running. I don't know if you're gonna be able to pick this up, but that fan, if you can see behind it, that other fan is not spinning. Plus you can't hear it. Now I'm gonna turn the AC on and go over here and click this AC on in this truck. And it's just blowing hot air, right? So when I get back over here, you're gonna hear the compressor running. You hear the compressor running down there, you can see it spinning. I hope you can pick it up, right? So you know it's on. So I'm gonna come over here. Here's our high pressure switch here. So I'm gonna show y'all what I come up with. You can't hear that electric fan running. Watch, I'll unplug it. The compressor will go off, right? Compressor just turned off. Now when I plug it back in, compressor comes on. Now listen. That E fan came on. So now that E fan, if I can get over here, hopefully I can catch it. It'll run for about 30 seconds. And then it'll shut off. I know y'all can hear that thing running, it's pretty loud. Right? Now listen, you can also hear the relays clicking when it goes off. You hear that click, and then the fan shuts off. So to me, and these lines are hot, 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 hot. So I've checked my Freon level. I've done all that. So what I'm coming up with is that something in that switch is turning on, and then maybe it's not working. So we got the negative cable undone. So we're gonna come over here. Now I've done my homework. You do not have to evacuate the AC system to change this out. So that's something you don't have to worry about. And you're gonna push this, you're gonna pull up, you pull up and unclick it, right? Wiggle it off of there. I've already broke it loose, right? And there it is. That's all you get, that little bit. See, it's got that valve. And then there it is. There's your pressure switch, AC high pressure switch. It's a 3-prong. And then you want to make sure to get your O-ring off and replace it. Back from the auto parts, there's that new pressure switch. I took the old one to make sure that everything was the same. Here's the part number, 20951. So let's plug this thing back in. Like so. We're gonna come over here, we're gonna hook our terminal back up, and then we're gonna start the truck and see if it fixed our problem or if I gotta continue searching. Here we go, we got it plugged in, got the truck running. Let's turn, you can't hear that fan. You don't hear that electric fan. So let's turn this AC on and hope for the best. AC's on. No fan. Oh. Compressor's not even on. Yeah, it is. There it goes. Fan. I mean, it just kicked off. There it goes. Now the compressor's on. Let's see. And there goes that fan again. It's on. Let's see how long it lasts. I know you can't see down in there, but you're looking at what I'm looking at. I don't think that fixed my problem, so we'll see. Well, that didn't fix the problem, so I guess on to the next thing. If y'all have any clue on what it could possibly be, 2009 Ram 1500 5.7 liter Hemi, drop me some comments. I'm willing to try some things, and I'm tired of wasting money on things that aren't working. So with all of that, this is Auto Guy DIY. Keep living that dream, doing your thing. 3rd gen content is coming, and I'm rolling out.